GST is short for Goods and Service Tax. It pretty much speaks for itself. It is a tax on goods and services. In Australia, the GST rate is 10%, meaning that an extra 10% of the cost must be paid, 110% altogether. GST rate in other countries are different, e.g. Canada's GST rate is 5%, Singapore's rate is 7%, the Maldives rate is 6%, and the UK's rate is 5%.
There are two ways to find the cost before the GST rate was added. The first way is the unitary method, which involves finding 1% of the cost and multiplying the answer with the percentage you want. Another way is to divide the given cost by 1.1. For example, Marissa goes to a store to buy a t-shirt. The t-shirt is $50, including 10% GST. Marissa wants to find out how much the t-shirt costs before the GST. So using the unitary method, you would need to find 1% of $50. And $50 in this case represents 110%.
To find 1%, you would need to divide 110 by $50, which would give you the answer of approximately 0.45.
Then you would need to find 100%, which is the original cost. So you would do 0.45 multiplied by 100, which would give you approximately $45.45. Using the alternative method, you would need to divide 50 by 1.1, giving the same answer.
To find GST, you would have to multiply 10 over 100 by the cost. For example, Joan is out with her friends and she is paying for dinner. The bill comes to $210. Joan wants to find out what the GST rate will be for the cost given. In this case, to find the GST rate, you would need to multiply 10 over 100 by $210, giving the answer of $21.
There are two ways to find the price, including the GST rate. The first way is to find the GST and add it to the original cost. The second way is to multiply the cost by 1.1. For example, Stella wants to buy a car. The car she finds costs $50,000. The first method is to find the GST and then add it to the original cost. So in this case, the original price is $50,000. So 10 over 100 times by the cost, and that gives you the answer of $5,000. To find the final price, including GST, you need to add the original cost, so $50,000 and the GST rate, which is $5,000, to give you the final answer of $55,000. The alternative method is to multiply $50,000 by 1.1, giving the same answer.